Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys the best way to free up space on your iPhone. There are many ways to do it, but this is really the most helpful way if you are on the brink of using all of your storage. So initially, we're going to go to Settings. And now let's first check how much storage we have. So we're going to go to General, and then we're going to click on iPhone Storage. And as you can see here, I am basically on the brink of using all of my data. To be honest, I actually just purchased iCloud, and I'm going to get to that in a second, but it was at 127 gigabytes, and I was unable to do basically anything, send, receive any messages, or anything like that. So to fix this, all you have to do is go back. We're going to scroll all the way up onto the main settings page and click on our profile, Anthony. And now we're going to press on iCloud. And as you can see here, I actually just added 200 gigabytes of iCloud to my storage. But when you click on iCloud, it'll give you a question right here, manage your plan. So we're going to click on manage our plan. And now you can see that I just purchased the 200 gigabytes per month. So basically, I'm only paying $3 right now a month to be able to get an extra 200 gigabytes of storage on my iPhone. And I really, really recommend you guys doing it because now my phone has been acting normal. It's still going through the syncing process. It's going to take 12 to 24 hours for all of my stuff to sync to the iCloud. Um, and basically, what you want to do is when you press on $2.99 per month, you can basically press the buy button on the top right corner. It's going to do your Face ID, and then you're going to purchase it. And now, once you go back to your storage in about 12 to 24 hours, your iPhone storage will basically be almost nothing. Like right now, I just purchased it. It's at 115 gigabytes and it's just going down. And it'll probably end up being around 50 gigabytes of storage on my phone after everything has been synced. So, my recommendation is get iCloud, sync everything up like I showed you, and that's how you do it. So, that's how you free up space. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.